Hi friends, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac. First, go to the video's description and click the official Premiere Pro free trial link. This is a safe and legitimate way to access Adobe's trial page. Before you start, it's crucial to ensure that your device meets the system requirements. Premiere Pro is a robust video editing tool that performs best on a solid setup. Once on the trial page, click to start your free trial and choose the individual plan. This gives you 7 full days to use Adobe Premiere Pro and all Creative Cloud features, completely free. Don't forget to activate the Adobe stock trial. You'll receive 10 premium assets for free: stock videos, templates, photos, and more. Even if you cancel before the trial ends, you get to keep all 10 assets. Next, sign in or create an Adobe account. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial expires. I recommend setting a reminder, just in case. After that, download and install the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, search for Premiere Pro, and click Install. Let it download and install. It only takes a few minutes. And that's it. You now have Adobe Premiere Pro installed and ready to use, for free, for 7 days. Perfect time to edit your content and test out everything Premiere has to offer. Remember, you can find the link to get started in the video description. Follow each step carefully to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free successfully. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Also, if you want exclusive design tutorials, software discounts, and pro tips, subscribe to our newsletter. We send out insider content to help you level up your graphic design skills. The link is below. And if you're looking to improve your Illustrator workflow, check out the video in the top right corner, where we dive into how to use the Pathfinder tool for complex logo design. That's it for today. Have fun exploring Illustrator, and I'll see you at the next one.